Title: The Ultimate Guide to Making Money with Dropshipping. Description: Are you interested in starting your own online business and earning money through dropshipping? In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the ins and outs of dropshipping and provide you with valuable tips and strategies to help you succeed. From finding profitable products to setting up your online store and implementing effective marketing techniques, we'll cover everything you need to know to build a successful dropshipping business. Get ready to learn how to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a profitable reality. Outline. Introduction to dropshipping. Definition and explanation of dropshipping as a business model. Overview of the benefits and advantages of dropshipping. Finding profitable products. Researching and identifying niche markets and product trends. Utilizing product research tools and platforms. Evaluating product demand, competition, and profit margins. Choosing reliable suppliers. Exploring different supplier options, wholesalers, manufacturers, etc. Evaluating suppliers based on reliability, product quality, and shipping capabilities. Establishing effective communication channels with suppliers. Setting up your online store. Selecting an e-commerce platform, for example, Shopify, WooCommerce, and domain name. Designing an attractive and user-friendly store layout. Optimizing product pages, images, and descriptions for conversions. Managing inventory and fulfillment. Implementing inventory management systems and tools. Automating order fulfillment processes. Dealing with back orders, stockouts, and returns. Effective marketing strategies. Creating a marketing plan and defining your target audience. Implementing search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to drive organic traffic. Utilizing social media marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising. Building customer trust and loyalty. Providing excellent customer service and support. Implementing customer reviews and testimonials. Establishing trust through transparent policies and secure payment options. Analyzing and optimizing performance. Tracking and analyzing key performance metrics, sales, conversion rates, etc. Utilizing analytics tools to gain insights into customer behavior. making data-driven decisions to optimize store performance. Scaling your dropshipping business. Exploring strategies for expanding your product range and market reach. Automating processes and outsourcing tasks as your business grows. Leveraging customer data and feedback to drive future growth. Overcoming challenges and pitfalls. Addressing common challenges and obstacles in dropshipping. Developing contingency plans for shipping delays and inventory issues. Staying updated with industry trends and adapting to changes. Legal and financial considerations. Understanding tax obligations and legal requirements. Setting up proper accounting systems and record keeping. Seeking professional advice for legal and financial matters. Conclusion and next steps. Recap of the key points covered in the video. Encouragement to take action and start your dropshipping journey. Reminding viewers to stay persistent and dedicated to building their business. Remember, building a successful dropshipping business requires hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. But with the right strategies and a strong entrepreneurial mindset, you can achieve your financial goals and create a thriving online business.